A few years ago, my grandfather suffered a sudden heart failure. He lost his consciousness and it was very frightening. Luckily, he has made it out alive, but his heart is weakened ever since.
Because of his heart failures, the structural tissue of his heart has been damaged, which then poses a greater risk of future heart failures, which can also then lead up to sudden cardiac arrest.
Cardiac arrests are the most common cause of death in the United States, causing 325,000 casualties each year. Due to a lack of symptoms, it is often hard to tell if someone is suffering a cardiac arrest. Immediate care is crucial to a victim's survival. When someone is in the vicinity, the survival rates are increased by 300%.
CureBand is a wearable device which uses a hardware sensor to detect an instance of ventricular fibrillation and alert those around them, as well as an ambulance or service. It is slightly smaller than a wristwatch, so it can be worn easily.
My name is Sam Porter, and I'm the head of electronics and marketing.
My name is Neil Ghosh, and I am the head of research.
My name is Ashra Vastav, and I'm the head of hardware.
Together, we created the CureBand.
The heart's main job is to pump blood around the body. The blood cells carry oxygen, which are taken to all the vital organs. Normally, an electric signal spreads fast enough so that all muscle fibers in the heart contract to look like a single coordinated heartbeat. During a ventricular fibrillation, the heart cells become stressed in such a way, tissues start to change, both structurally and electrically. This causes each individual muscle fiber to contract at their own pace, eventually leading to the stoppage of the heart, also known as a cardiac arrest.
The process begins with a photoplethysmography sensor, which detects the heart rate. It senses a heart rate by illuminating the skin in order to measure changes in light absorption. Via a Python script, the data is then analyzed and sent through our algorithm, which can determine whether the user is safe or not. Once it is ensured the user is safe, the heart rate is uploaded online so they can access it. This can be accessed via our app or website with their personal account. However, in the event that a cardiac arrest does occur, the emergency services are contacted immediately. This allows for an ambulance to be on site as soon as possible to help our customers. An emergency sound also comes out of the band, alerting all nearby, as well as explaining how to help save the user with CPR or a defibrillator. To display this, we will now perform a live demonstration.
Based on our research, we have developed a simulation process to allow us to see if the product works. The process begins with the hub receiving the demonstration numbers from the band. Once it has detected the cardiac arrest, it then plays a loud sound to alert people in the vicinity.
Urgent, 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 urgent. Urgent, 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 urgent. Urgent, 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 urgent. Urgent, 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 urgent. Urgent, 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 urgent.
Adam Smith is currently experiencing a cardiac arrest. An ambulance should
Meanwhile, the emergency services receive the text message similar to the one shown on the screen.
Quote the code CB2034. Meanwhile, please request for a bystander to locate the nearest AED and proceed to check the breathing. If the person is not breathing, use the AED's built-in instructions. If AED unavailable, begin CPR. To do so, press and apply pressure to someone's chest at a rate of 100 to 120 chest compressions a minute. Press down 2 inches, then let the chest fall back to its normal position. Repeat till the paramedics arrive.
The sound is then repeated until the emergency services arrive.
When the user is determined to be safe, it is possible to check their heart rate online via our website or app. The website is always updated simultaneously, and the readings are in real time.
CureBand is all for saving our environment. That's why we created the show with the biodegradable filament. The band is also made up of thermoplastics, which can easily be recycled and from renewable materials. With the world fighting constant pollution, we believe that it is crucial to use such materials in a modern world.
The market for the CureBand is huge. During a survey, we found that around 60% of people would be interested in purchasing a CureBand. Even further amazing is the fact that an overwhelming majority of above 90% of people would be interested to buy a CureBand for an elderly relative with heart issues.
With CureBand, the survival rates could be increased by more than 400%. The true possibilities are limitless.
I hope you can help and us assist the world and those with heart problems like my grandfather. Thank you.